Tired of throwing money at Twitter ads and having absolutely no clue if they're actually driving sales? Today, we're diving deep into how to create a Twitter sales event using Google Tag Manager, so you can finally track those valuable conversions and prove you're raw. First, in your Twitter Ads Manager, you need to set up conversion tracking. Navigate to the Tools menu, then select Conversion Tracking. Click on Create New Website Tag and name it something descriptive, like Purchase Conversion. Choose Website Purchase as the conversion event. Twitter will generate a piece of code. Copy this code you'll need it in Google Tag Manager. Now head over to your Google Tag Manager account and create a new tag. Select Custom HTML as the tag type and paste the Twitter conversion tracking code you copied earlier directly into the HTML field. Next, we need to set up a trigger. Click on the triggering section below the tag configuration. Choose a trigger that fires on your thank you page or confirmation page. Usually a page view trigger is perfect. Configure it to fire when the page URL contains something like /thank you or confirmation. Finally, save your tag and trigger. Then hit the Submit button in the top right corner of Google Tag Manager to publish your changes. And that's it. Now, when someone clicks on your Twitter ad and completes a purchase on your website, Google Tag Manager will fire the Twitter conversion tag. And you'll see the sales attributed to your Twitter campaign in the Twitter Ads Manager. You're now on your way to maximizing your Twitter WA #Twitter Ads #sales tracking.